Hello, assalamualaikum guys. Now we will find the toys on the water, okay? We will find the toys, guys. Wow, look, what is this? Okay. Wow, you are broken. This is a truck. Whoa. Put here, okay? We will find again. Whoa, this is a truck. Wow, very beautiful truck. Wow, it's a very beautiful combination color. Green and blue. Wow, a very big truck. Okay, put here. Okay, let's find again. Wow, what is this? Wow, this is a frog. Wow, beautiful frog. Wow, green color, a very beautiful green color. Okay, put here. Okay, let's find again. Wow, 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 this is Ultraman. Right, Ultraman? Wow, you are superhero, guys. Put here. Wow, what is this? Wow, this is a pop-it, like a Jurassic pop-it. Wow, very beautiful combination color, guys. Okay, we will find again, guys. Okay. Look! Wow! This is a crocodile, but this is a very funny and a very funny sound. Wow! It's a very beautiful color, guys. A green beautiful color. Wow! It's a very lightning beautiful color. Okay, put here. Let's find again. Wow! Wow! This is a plane. Wow! Very beautiful. And it says a very elastic wings. White plane. Wow! Can you fly, guys? Wow! Okay. Put here. We will find again. Look! Wow! This is a military truck. Wow! Wow! This is a military truck. Okay. Put here. Let's find again. Look, guys! Wow! This is an Exavator. Very beautiful color, guys. Wow! Very beautiful color, like a real. This is a heavy equipment, guys. Okay, put here, guys. We will find again, guys. Whoa! This is a duck. Wow! Very beautiful color, you duck. Wow! You have sound, a very beautiful sound, a funny sound. Hey. Okay, put here. Let's find again. Look, what is this? Wow, very beautiful. This is pop-it, red pop-it, but it's like apple. Wow, wow. Look, guys, this is an apple, guys. Wow. Okay, put here. We will find again. Wow, look, wow, wow. Look, guys, this is a car, military car. This is a jeep. Yes, jeep car. Wow, it's like real, guys. Wow. Okay, put here. Find again. Wow, what's a little one? Whoa, wow, this is a duckling, guys. But it's a very funny and a very beautiful color. This color is pink. Hey, duckling, you have a beautiful sound and very funny. I like you. Okay, put here and we will find again. Look, wow, what is this? Whoa, this is an egg. Wow, let's open, guys. Wow, there is something in the egg. Wow, this is a little dinosaurus. Wow, very beautiful. Wow, yeah, it has a yellow color. Wow, you're very beautiful. Okay, put here. Wow. Okay, guys, we will find again. Wow, look, guys, what is this? Wow, this is a bicycle. This is a motorcycle, guys. This is motorsport, guys. Wow, like MotoGP. Wow, beautiful blue color, guys. Wow, it has a mono shock, but wow, still function, guys. Wow, it's a very elastic shock. Okay, put here, guys, and we will find again. Wow.